Hello guys, today I am going to show you what's the Hello World program. Basically it's a basic program of any programming languages. So first we need any IDs for written a code of our program. So I have an ID, the code block, and the full form of ID it means integrated development environment. Okay, so just double click on the icon of a double code block. So now we get the interface of code block IDs. Okay, so just written is the hello world program, so just remove it. Okay, so first we have to save our file with a new file button. Take a file, empty file, and just we have to save it with the .c format. Okay, now and then after saving, then we include some library files like hashtag include studio.h file. It means hashtag is a pre-processing command, include for including the header files, and studio it means studio is the three parts, where is std it means standard, I stand for input, and O for output. Okay, and .h it is because it is representing the header file. First we have to retain a data type of our function, void just, and we can also take a int, char, etc., and return a name of our function. Basically the most basic function is the main function. This is the entry point of your code, so that's why the compiler knows where is your entry point of your program. Okay, and then this is the void, it means the data type, main is a function's name, and this is a parenthesis, and this is the body of your function. Now we have to use printf. This keyword is used for print on execution screen, print any statement on execution screen. Okay, so first we have to use double quote, and just written hello world, and now we use slash \n for changing the lines. So and end the line with semicolon. So this is our code of hello world program. So now just compile it. Compile. So no there we can see 0 error, 0 warning, and 0 minute for execution. Okay, so now run and build. So we can see hello world is printing on your execution screen .exe screen. So this is your hello world program. So now this is complete our tasks for making a hello world. So guys, this is my first video, and I'm trying to explain you what is the hello world program correctly. So please give me support, and please like, share, comment, and thank you for watching my video.